Okay, today from 2006 all the way to 2013, and then you got the 2014 to 16 limited edition Impala, Chevy Impala. I'm gonna show you today how to do this radio. It's easy. How to take a radio out. And if you need to see what the harness look like, this is a video for you too. So you stick it in the top, flathead, and pop. That's it. Then everything else you can do by hand. Alright. And then this, you can flip this up. Tell you what, I'm gonna just take that out. Alright, to unplug that, it's a little airbag thing for the top. It come out of here, it's just a clip you press. And then you got 3 screws on this side and 3 on this side. So I'm gonna take them off right quick. And once you get those off, let me see if it'll come off without taking the bottom off. Nope, just gotta take the bottom off. So you ain't got to take the bottoms all the way off. But now let's see, just pull that thing out of there. Let's see what we got. Okay, so it's 2 of these harnesses. Then the antenna. Let me take that antenna out real quick. Okay, so it looked like you might end up needing some kind of adapter piece to go to that for the antenna. And then if you want to plug and play, this is what I use right here. You can get this thing from AutoZone. And you got both of the harnesses on here. So let's see, let's plug that in right quick. So I'm gonna wrap this video up. This is the this is what your harnesses look like. And I believe these cars have a factory amp. Don't know where it's at. It usually be on the door. It'll say Bose or something, but it don't say nothing. Nothing on the tweeters. So I'm just guessing. It's nothing. I don't think it's nothing. Alright, but I'll be back with another video of the radio install. Peace.